Let's go, let's go. Big day ahead. Good morning. Welcome to Bryag, or Bryagalong. And welcome to your very first team challenge.
Gippsland is one of Australia's great food bowls. The asparagus from Cooey Rup is legendary. And of course, top-rate beef and lamb. And this one area, Gippsland, produces 19% of all the dairy produce in Australia. Your challenge is to create a feast for the volunteers, for the truckies, and for some of the local farmers and their families.
All right, let's get you guys into teams. Which way? That way. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Right. One's on that side, two's on that side. Let's go, guys. Come on. Faster.
Hey.
Today's feast, one team will be cooking with protein from the land, the other team from the sea. Right, captains, come forward.
I love cooking with meat.
Yeah, boys!
So, Larissa, you'll be the blue team, obviously with sea. And Tim, you'll be the red team with land.
Beautiful.
Today you're going to be feeding 150 people. Each team has to cook 3 mains, plus 3 sides and 1 dessert. You have 3 hours to cook and plate up all of your food. The team that does the best job will be safe.